As we launch our third edition of Total Property for 2023, the world's economic and geopolitical landscape remains volatile, and this is creating both caution and opportunity in the commercial and industrial market. The latest nationwide dashboard from CoreLogic showing transactional data for January-February this year versus the same period last year makes for really sobering reading. While there's always a bit of a lag on the data, completed deals nationwide across all agencies are down a whopping 72%. The amount of stock listed year on year has been pretty consistent, it's just not translating into sales this year. And this is not helping market perception of value. On the positive side, we're still seeing rental growth for prime assets, and this is forecast to continue. Along with very low vacancy rates for prime space, income growth is giving investors some confidence, and tentatively, buying activity seems to be picking up. Interest rates here are thought to be near their peak, and global sentiment is warming as inflation in the US and UK shown sign of cooling, and economists talk of a relatively soft landing for the economy. However, New Zealand banks are pricing risk into their commercial lending books. Many owners will be confronted with hefty refinancing outgoings when their loans roll over, in some cases at rates almost double current commitments. The coming months will be a telling time for owners as they face the reality of rate hikes and repositioned lending tolerances. Along with landlords, banks are readjusting balance sheets, but unlike the post-GFC era where the market took quite some time to settle, we expect core indicators of risk and cost of debt to find a new level more quickly. This edition of Total Property has 78 new commercial and industrial properties for sale across the country. Our insights pieces look at rising rents, the income growth fundamentals of various asset classes, and a discussion about private capital based on our global real estate partner Knight Frank's wealth report. Via our Knight Frank partnership, Bayleys clients can access well-resourced private offshore buyers to supplement our national high net wealth buyer pool. Globally, private capital views prime commercial and industrial property as a proven vehicle to grow wealth, and activity from these investors is now outpacing institutional buyers. Bayleys' strength in the market is also proven and enduring. We've operated for 50 years, and our teams conclude almost half of all commercial and industrial deals in the country. We know from half a century of experience that opportunity exists in any market, but identifying it is the key. So talk to us today to open those doors.